Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Classes. In this video, I will show you how to install Node.js on Windows 11. Node.js is a powerful runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on your computer. And it's essential for web development, building APIs and more. So without further delay, let's get started. First, we need to download the Node.js. For that, open any web browser of your choice. I'm opening Google Chrome. Search for Node.js. Download. In the search result, look for https://nodejs.org. This is the official site to download the Node.js. Click on the link. It will directly go to the download page. Scroll down a little bit. Then there will be an option Windows installer and standalone binary zip. So I am installing in this Windows 11 system. So click on this Windows installer MSI. When you click on this button, download will start automatically. After the completion of download, open the downloads folder and double click on the exe file to start the installation process. Node.js setup has been started. Just click on next. Click on the checkbox I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then next. It will show the file location where Node.js is going to install. Then click on next. These are all the features going to install with the Node.js. No need to do anything. Keep it as default. Then click on next. Here one checkbox is showing. If we check this, after this Node.js installation, some necessary tools will going to install automatically. Currently I am not going to check that box. If you want, check the box and click on next. Click on install. If it asks for the permissions, just click on yes. Completed the Node.js setup wizard. The installation has been completed successfully. Click on the finish. After that, close or minimize the windows. To make sure Node.js is installed correctly, open the command prompt. Go to search, type cmd, hit the enter key. In the command prompt, type node space -v, hit the enter key. It shows the version number. That means Node.js is installed successfully and ready to use. And one more thing we need to check is npm is installed properly. For that, type npm space -v, hit the enter key. That will also showing version number. That means both node and npm are installed correctly. You can start working in the Node.js. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.